Only 10-minute walk from Naiyang Beach and 5-minute drive to Phuket International Airport. Welcome to one of the convenience hotel that worth it to stay at your last day at Phuket. I'm pretty surprised when they inform me the check-in process are start at 3 p.m. because it is not regular time check-in that we usually experience in other hotel. But don't worry, as I mentioned before, this hotel is near to Naiyang Beach, so we can pause in time, explore the beauty of the beach. Or for you who enjoy reading and having peaceful moment, you can spend time at Zhuang Yuan Reading Room. The lobby hotel concept is quite simple. They combine Mediterranean style with open space and simple interior but still eye-catching. When we walk from the lobby to the room, we're gonna pass a beautiful garden where also consists of the spa area and also a swimming pool. Hello everyone, now let's check the garden and swimming pool areas. So from the lobby over there is an open space for the lobby. When you come down to the stair is right away to the garden area. Like this one is a beautiful one. Sorry, facing also. We have a swing over there near of the big tree. And beside the big tree, they have a spa area. So it's gonna be so relaxing when you're having your spa moment because it is in the middle of the garden. So let's check it out. Middle of garden, I think this one is for spa. If you want to have your spa time, you can do it here. It's really peaceful one. So it's go directly to the garden. Okay, let's continue to explore this tropical garden vibe. So basically when you walking to the stair, in the left side is the restaurant area where we can having our breakfast and also see the beautiful view of the garden and also the swimming pool. And in front of me now is the swimming pool where we can have some relaxed and enjoying time. The left side is for the children and the right side is for an adult. It's quite spacious and also is going to the right over there. Okay, so from the swimming pool area, we go straight to the gym. The gym is not too big, but it's clean. And then we have AC inside it. And I think for the basic needs for you to having exercise for the daily routine is gonna be nice ones. As you can do your exercise, you also can see the beautiful view of the swimming pool and garden also. And right beside the gym itself, we have for the children area. My nephew is gonna be lover. It is a kids room to play. Okay, so basically they have a cycle and then some toys in here, colorful, and then so they have some tents, and then this one, the other to play around. Some this is some I think it's gonna be that. So yeah, this is with air condition also, so quite comfortable. If you have kids, it will be one of the best place to spending time. So it's basically near like this to the swimming pool. Oh, nice. Now it's just what they have again. I didn't know where they have this one. Oh, this is a shower. So after the swimming, you can go for the shower in here. So behind the swimming pool area, we have a little garden again. If you want to shower first, before come, and this is it. I truly recommend you for try to swing that attached to the big magical trees. Somehow it's gonna bring back your childhood memory. Okay, let me take you to review the room that we stay for tonight in this Proud Hotel area. But totally, I advise you to choose the room that in the first floor because it's obviously you just like having your own swimming pool. It's so convenient and comfortable. You can enjoy the swimming pool every time you want. Okay, here we go. This is a second hotel that we stay in Phuket. Proud Hotel. The price is only 6 red money for 1 night, and I love it. First we have safety box, and also they give us umbrella, the kimono. Okay, nicely. Then we have the amenities like usually tea, coffee. This one I think you need to pay again to bottle mineral water, and then we have some. Okay, this one mini mini. Okay, so this is it, the bathtub. I love it. They make it so good, yeah. This is the bathtub. Totally, you can open that one. This is really good for you who want to spend for honeymoon. And this is the toilet. So the toilet and shower is separated. You can get the, what is that? Shampoo and also shower gel. Okay, so this is the amenities. Sabun and soap. They have cotton bud for hair cup and also body lotion like usually. So this is our bathroom. Let me check. This one. This is our master bedroom. This is master's bedroom. This is look cute with a turtle. Hello. Okay, then like usually they give us some note, and then if you need anything you can call over here. The room is not too big, but I think it's quite comfortable, yeah. And then I love this one. You can enjoy your time in here while you see the stunning beauty that they have like that. If you need anything you can call over here that one. And after that, this is what the view from our master bathroom. They have the AC air conditioner, and they give us also the towel. If you need hungry anything, they have some this one. Okay, and this one is we have so open like this. La ta-da! It's amazing one. You can have spending time here with the beautiful view of swimming pool and also some half area of the hotel. So I think it's worth it, yeah, for 6 red money for 1 night. Before we having breakfast, we decided to go by bicycle where you can use it for free for 2 hours for explore the near attraction around the hotel. One is spice milk, orange juice. Yes. We have green curry. Ooh, curry, babe, your favorite. Oh, you really excited. They have chicken boiled rice.